Hello, this is Kasim Kulov. Welcome to the 10th episode of my logo Modernism series. Today we will be drawing yet another logo by Yusaku Kamekura, designed in 1964, located on page 381 for Child Ltd. Now, as you can see, it's not strictly geometric logo. It has a very natural feel to it and has a lot of visual corrections applied to it. That's why I will just show you a method of how you can design similar shapes. Let's draw a line with a height of 100 pixels. Go to Transform Zigzag and apply following settings. Expand appearance. Now what we have created is the wave with the same width and height values. Delete the upper curve. Make a copy and scale 75%. I will use 5 stripes with the height of each stripe equal to 10 pixels. Snap the lower curve like this and blend the shapes with 4 specified steps. Expand the shape but do not expand the stroke. Now prepare the curves for the Shape Builder tool. Now select everything and let's build our stripes using Shape Builder tool. Select everything and make a vertically flipped copy. Snap the copy to the point. Use Eraser tool to delete unnecessary parts. Make a copy holding down Shift and Option keys and flip the copy vertically and horizontally. Group the shapes and let's apply a transform command with following settings. Since this is a live effect, we can change the distance. Don't forget to expand the appearance. The resultant shape will fit perfectly inside a hexagon. Draw a hexagon with the same width as the shapes. Align both of the shapes. Now we need to round the corners, but we have no idea of the value, right? Let's zoom in to the top corner. Go to Outline mode and delete unnecessary parts. Press plus on your keyboard and add a point to the intersection. Now you can round top corner to its limit. Go back to Preview mode. Offset the path to the value of one stripe, in this case it's 10 pixels. Create the stripe with your Shape Builder tool. Make a copy and move it down by 10 pixels to create the remaining 2 stripes. Use Eraser tool to delete unnecessary parts. Group the stripes and make a flipped copy. Go to Outline mode to snap it exactly to the point. Group the shapes, make a copy, paste in front and rotate it 120 degrees. Paste in front again and rotate it 240 degrees. And so yes, this is it. This is the one of the methods of how you can create this type of shapes. And if you want, you can unite everything. Thanks for watching. For more interesting tutorials, do not forget to subscribe.